Welcome to Arazy Group's regulatory update. In today's update, we're going to give you a regulatory wrap-up in Mexico that will include information about Reliance framework for medical devices and IVD. Before we start, it is important to clarify something. Mexico has accepted foreign regulatory approvals for medical devices since 2010 for FDA and Health Canada, and since 2012 for Japan. The 2025 documents do not create equivalency from zero. Instead, they modernize it, expand it, and reorganize the administrative structure. Today, we will explain exactly what changed and what did not change. Before 2025, if your device was approved by the FDA, Health Canada, or Japan, you could already apply in Mexico through an abbreviated pathway. However, each country had a separate administrative route. Each had different homoclaves, different checklists, and sometimes different documentation formats. It worked, but it was fragmented. The June 11, 2025 DOF is mainly a consolidation and expansion reform. It formally incorporates the concept of reliance under a broader legal framework. It officially commits COFEPRIS to a 30-business-day resolution timeline. It also expands recognition beyond FDA, Canada, and Japan. So this was an expansion and modernization, not a brand new system. The most important change is expansion. Before 2025, EU CE certificates were not clearly recognized under a formal equivalency agreement. Now they are. Also, regulators that are members of IMDRF, such as Australia, Brazil, Singapore, UK, etc., are now formally recognized. This significantly broadens Reliance options. The 30-day timeline is officially introduced. However, in practice, timelines may still extend. Also, the product must be identical to the foreign-approved version. Emergency authorizations or conditional approvals cannot be used. Our regulatory information and registration management software is the answer to all your regulatory needs. With an intuitive user interface and real-time data, License Sale provides complete project management, infographic analytics, effective collaboration tools, future market access planning, and advanced reporting capabilities. You'll control your global MedTech registration activities like never before. The July document is procedural but very important. It explains exactly how COFEPRIS evaluates an application submitted under Reliance. It confirms that the registration granted under equivalency has the same legal validity as a normal registration. It clarifies that COFEPRIS will only verify identity and completeness. It also makes clear that if discrepancies are found for example, different manufacturing sites or product specifications, the abbreviated pathway can be denied and the application may move to full review. This increases legal clarity and predictability. Before July, Reliance worked, but interpretation could vary. After July, expectations are clearer. The regulator defined more precisely what must match between the foreign-approved product and the Mexican submission. This reduces ambiguity, but also increases the need for careful documentation preparation. The August reform is administrative restructuring. It removes the old FDA-specific, Canada-specific, and Japan-specific submission codes. Instead of multiple country-based routes, there is now a unified registration procedure. Previously, applicants had to select a specific country-based submission code. Now the process is consolidated. The applicant submits under the General Medical Device Registration Structure and declares that the application qualifies under the equivalency framework. The regulatory concept stays the same. The administrative structure becomes simpler. The system is now more harmonized and structured. Companies have more flexibility because more foreign approvals are recognized. They have clearer documentation expectations, and they operate under a simpler administrative system. The equivalency route was not eliminated. It was modernized, expanded, and streamlined.
Thank you for following our regulatory updates. If you have any questions, need more information, or would like to book a demo of our software, please email us at info@arazygroup.com, or simply head to our website and head to the Contact Us page.